Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. We're back with another wig. So I have the 13x4 Kinky Straight Real Scalp Breathe Everything wig, and they call it the Real Scalp because it has this thin layer of material underneath, so you don't have to get that like stocking cap look. It gives the illusion of scalp already, so I love that because a lot of the times when I put my stocking cap on, you can see it through the part. So this just eliminates all of that. So this is the wig. It is 20 inches, 150% density. It also comes with these pre-taped tabs on the end, but y'all know I don't do any adhesive, so I'll probably snip that off. But other than that, you get a adjustable strap. You also get a adjustable drawstring in the back, which helps to get your perfect fit to the wig. There are 2 combs on the side, a comb at the bottom, and then this silicone lining around the wig so your wig don't slip and slide. So I just took off a quick weave, so the back of my head is still underneath a stocking cap, so that's gonna make this install of this wig even better. I'm actually just gonna put a stocking cap on to get the hair out of my way. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the drawstring in the back. So I'm just going to pull the drawstring, tighten it, and then tuck the excess. Alright, so these are the little flaps. I guess if you had space, you can go ahead and tack that down. I don't have that kind of space, so. This is the Kinky Straight texture. It's really, really soft. It's extremely soft. This is a hair right out of the package. I have not washed it yet. And this is 20 inches on me. As you can see, it like just blends right into the skin. This is the texture of the hair. So beautiful, so lustrous. It has a good amount of shine to it. It gives healthy. I'm just gonna take my little hot comb, kind of straighten it out a little bit. Just a smidgen. Just to get any lumps, bumps, kinks out. Because it has been in a box. I'm going to straighten this hair. Because like I said, I'm going to keep the kinky texture. I'm also just going to take a little bit of setting foam. And this is a free parting wig, so you got a lot of parting space since it is a 13x4. I'm just gonna take not so small sections and tuck it under. Oh, that's hot. These are the curls we're doing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side. I am gonna, because I cut a few more layers over there, so I'm just gonna do the same for this side with my little razor comb situation. that's what I did. And I'm gonna show you guys literally how I curl the hair. Taking big sections because this isn't a precise curl, so it doesn't have to be precise by any means. Just gonna go in with our flat iron and do a tuck. Like that. Like so. Okay, so these are the curls. Really cutesy. It gives like a cute little blowout look. And that's exactly what we were going for. So, yeah. So, really cutesy. Here is the look. We're going for a cute blowout look. So, I think we did that. This is what we're looking like. I love this. It's not too much hair. It's literally the perfect amount of hair. And I could have cut it a little shorter. I'm not mad at the length. It has so much body. I literally have done nothing to it. It has so much movement. It's very lightweight. The hair is extremely soft. We love that. And this is a natural color. The wig is super snug. I love that. So, yeah. Okay, so this concludes this video. I'll be sure to list all of Unice's info in the description box, as well as a direct link to this unit that I'm wearing. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.